you take it like this, and with this finger you're gonna be like you're rolling, like moving it in, like rubbing, like you see how I do it. What I do, YouTube? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs. Yo guys, I'm back with another video, guys. In this new video, I'm gonna show you how do I crochet my hair. Yeah, look at that. I'm gonna teach you guys how I crochet my hair whenever they need it. You know what I'm saying? So I wanna tell y'all to stay till the end of this video so you see how I do it. And I'm gonna be teaching you and showing you the best way to do it. Cause this is so important when you have your hair, in special when they're not really big. Like if you see my hair, they're not so big. So sometimes, like for example, this one over here, look. So you see this is about to fall off. So if you don't know how to crochet your hair, like in part like this, it's gonna fall off. And then you're gonna be like, but my hair is not growing. I don't know what's going on. But the problem is that sometimes they be breaking. You feel me? They be breaking down and shit like that. So, but if you know how to crochet your hair, it's not gonna happen, because you know you won't be able to fix it on your own. So stay tuned and let's get it, guys. Alright, so go ahead and get the hair. Don't take too much, because if you do, then it's gonna look far away, like you have some extension or you have some, like it's gonna be, imagine that the dress is this big, right? And then it's gonna be like so thick at the end. So just take a little bit, less than this. It depends like how the dress is. Take a little bit, like this, right? And then put the needle over here. So a little bit like this. Get the thread. This is even a lot. Get the thread, right? Then you wrap it around like that. You see, because you're gonna cover the space where it's gonna break. So you get the needle, and look, this is how you should do it. And look, so you got the hair, right? And then you're gonna start right here on top where it's gonna break. So you start using like this. So the one that I'm using is 0.75. You see, so it's not that big. You should go ahead and use this one if your hair is not really thick. So you take it like this, and with this finger you're gonna be like you're rolling, like moving it in, like rubbing, like you see how I do it. While I be using the needle, I be using my fingers too. You see, and that's how I do it. So once you know how to use the needle, it's not that difficult. You see how already it's looking? So then you're gonna work your way down. You don't have to do it so fast, because if you are really learning how to use it, you should go slow, taking your time, learning the process. Because if you go fast, believe me, you wanna bleed. Because this needle is really dangerous, so it might go inside your fingernail. So you don't want to smoke for real. So this is how I do it. I always keep kinky hair with me, because I have these like little dread. They are all different size. I got big, small, micro, medium. So I'm gonna take a little bit more. I'm gonna take some more, and I'm gonna put it where it's weak. So I see over here it's kind of weak. Just gonna rub it in, wrap it around like that, and boom. I take the needle and I start introducing the hair inside the body of the dread. As easy as that, my people. So if you like what you see, go ahead and follow me on my IG. This is Luis25Locs. So I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to do everything I know about hair. So if you see on my IG right here, I'm a barber. So if you are in town, Kentucky, go ahead and hit me up so we can link up and shit. We can do so many things, like just let me know, man. Follow me. You see how it's fixed already? So ain't no way this dress gonna fall off no more. You see how fixed it is? So this is how I do it, man. Shit, this is how I do it. So if you see right here in this video, I was interlocking the hair of my client. As you see, he has some fine hair. I'm not gonna say like really fine, but it is. And another thing is that it was so short that if he would have like go with the process of the dread, he would have spent a lot of money. So what I told him was, like, let's go ahead and use the crochet needle so it can interlock, and by the second retwist, you're gonna be alright. So that's what we did. It's my bad. I forgot how it look when I finished, but it took me a long time, so I was tired and I didn't have nobody to make the video, and he was tired too. He was basically sleeping, and I was like, he gonna be back so I can show y'all how it look. So guys, go ahead and follow me on my IG. Shit, let's do this journey together. If you have any question, go ahead and ask me right down on the comment. I'm gonna be looking at the comment, and if you got something to say, just let me know. Shit, let's do it, guys. I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Luis25Locs, and look how fixing. As simple as that. In 6 minutes, I fixed my dread. It's not gonna fall off, and it's healthy again. Let's get it.